Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is an introduction to the course Let's Learn Hindi. Introduction, Bhumika. That is, I want to introduce you to the contents and benefits of this course. Let us start here with the introduction. If you are interested in learning Hindi language, our platform is capable in making you learn Hindi in an innovative and easy manner. That means if you are interested in learning Hindi language, we'll provide you support and we'll let you learn Hindi here in a very easy manner, in a very simple and an innovative manner. I'll tell you what's that innovative manner in the next few slides. यदि आप हिंदी सीखने में रुचि रखते हैं तो हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म आपको नए व सरल तरीके से हिंदी सिखाने में समर्थ है. That means if you are interested in Hindi learning, हिंदी सीखना, that means Hindi learning, रुचि, that means interested. So if you are interested in learning Hindi, we'll provide you support here and give you a new and an innovative manner so that you can learn Hindi well. And our platform is capable in making you learn Hindi. Till now, our platform is proficient in educating 1,000 number of people. हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म अब तक हजारों लोगों को हिंदी सिखाने में सक्षम रहा है. That means we have already educated lot many people, we have lot many followers, or we have lot many students who have learned Hindi through our platform. Our platform is very much proficient in educating lot many people who want to learn Hindi, and they are now got the success and they are now speaking Hindi very well. Through the medium of this platform, we lessen the distancing between the people, which has widened the gap between them due to lack of familiarity with Hindi language. So this platform, through the medium of this platform, we will lessen the distancing, because of sometimes this happens that due to the lack of language, or we just don't have an idea of the language, we are unfamiliar with the language, so it creates a gap, or it widens the gap between the people and creates a distance between them because of the lack of familiarity with the language. So through this medium, we want to lessen that distance between these people who want to be with their culture, with their country, who want to join, or you can say who wants their country to be with them, but they are not able to manage this because of the lack of familiarity with the language. इस प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से हमने उन लोगों के बीच की दूरियां कम की हैं जो भाषा का ज्ञान ना होने की वजह से अपनों से बात करने व समझने में अक्षम थे. That means through this medium of this platform, we have lessened that distance between the people, which has created a large gap between them because of lack of familiarity with the language. Because of this unfamiliarity, they are not able to connect with their country. So due to the unfamiliarity with the language, these people feel estrangement from their country, their culture, their heritage. They always feel an isolation from their country. So you can say we have provided a platform here so that they can again get connected with their country, their culture and their country people and their heritage. भाषा का ज्ञान ना होने की वजह से वह अपने देश व संस्कृति से दूर हो जाते हैं. भाषा means language, देश that means country, Sanskriti is culture. So they, because of this unfamiliarity with the language, they feel estrangement with their country and culture. So in order to connect them again, we provide a platform here so that they can do not feel this kind of isolation, separation and estrangement from their country and culture. We created this platform in order to give a resolution for this problem, which is proving as a beneficial and a useful resource for the people of different countries, age groups and gender. So in order to give a solution for this problem that they feel isolation, estrangement and the separation from their country, culture and their heritage and their countrymen, we have provided this platform in order to give a special connection between their people with their countrymen. And also it is proving as a beneficial and a useful resource for the people of different countries, age groups and gender. Different countries, different age groups, different gender, they are really got benefit from this resource. It proved as a useful resource for these people. So they really found it very useful for them. Now we get appreciation letters from these people every day. So they are sending us, every day they are sending us letter of gratitude, letter of thanks, letter of appreciation, because they now feel very much connected with their country and their countrymen because of learning Hindi language, which they were not able to before that, and they really feel isolated. The prominent feature of our platform is that from language, grammar and dialect to sentence structure, we have explained each of the topic with easy definitions and examples with pictures. Like if you want to learn a new language, it is not an easy task, because after learning one language, second language is very difficult to learn. So it's a complex task again learning second language. But we here provide you a very good platform, and this is the prominent feature of our platform, that you will learn everything, that is from language, grammar and dialect to sentence structures. Everything you will get here, and we have explained each of the topic with easy and simple definitions so that you can learn the topic well, understand the topic well, along with examples and pictures. Pictures along with examples will let you learn Hindi in a very well manner, in a very organized manner, and you will be able to speak Hindi soon. इस प्लेटफॉर्म की विशेषता यह है कि भाषा, व्याकरण और बोली से लेकर वाक्य निर्माण तक इसमें एक एक विषय को उपयुक्त क्रम से सरल परिभाषाओं और सचित्र उदाहरणों के साथ समझाया गया है. So this platform again has a very good feature, has a very prominent feature, that from bhasha, that means language, vyakran, that is grammar, boli, that is dialect, से लेकर वाक्य निर्माण, that is sentence structure. Every topic, every subject is being taken in a very easy manner with easy and simple definitions and examples with pictures. For the better understanding and holistic development of students, we use an innovative technique. What's that innovative technique? As you can see here in the introduction to this course, what we have done is we have used Roman language. so that you can read Hindi too, and you will be able to read it with this Roman language that what we have written in Hindi. So this technique we have adopted in our whole course, which you will be able to learn in the shortest possible span of time because of this innovative technique. So for your better understanding and keeping in mind your development, your better understanding and holistic development, we have used Roman language. As you can see, the whole Hindi part we have translated into Roman language so that you can read it and understand things with the help of English again. विद्यार्थियों के और अधिक सहज विकास के लिए हमने इसमें रोमन भाषा का प्रयोग किया है ताकि वे कम समय में अधिक से अधिक सीख सकें. That is, विद्यार्थी, that is students, for their holistic development, we have used Roman language, Roman bhasha, so that they can learn it more and more in the shortest possible span of time. Now about this platform की विशेषताएं, that is, what are the benefits of this platform to you, how it will serve you as a beneficial and a useful resource. And let us discuss this platform in detail with a few examples I would like to give you so that you can understand what kind of technique and strategy we have used here in order to make you learn Hindi well and in organized manner. This platform is divided into two parts. इस प्लेटफॉर्म को दो भागों में बांटा गया है. That is, we have divided this into two parts, keeping in mind your problems and giving you a better solution to those problems. We have divided it into two parts. Let us discuss what are those two parts and how it will help you. In the first part, what we have done is we have paid special emphasis on Hindi language and grammar, which are being explained with topics and pictures. So what you learn here in the first part is Hindi language and grammar. The whole Hindi language, that is from alphabet to all parts of speech and to different various grammatical rules and grammar topics which are included in order to make you learn Hindi language well. And we have explained these topics with examples and pictures. So first part is specially being emphasized on Hindi language from the beginning onwards till the end, where at the end you will learn about letters also, stories also, passages also. The whole Hindi language you learn and the grammar in this first part. प्रथम भाग में हिंदी भाषा व व्याकरण पर विशेष बल दिया गया है. हिंदी भाषा, that is Hindi language and grammar, विशेष बल दिया गया है. That is, we have paid special emphasis on these two things here and we have explained it with pictures. तथा इन्हें चित्रों सहित समझाया गया है. चित्रों, that is pictures. I would like to give you few examples here so that you can understand what kind of technique we have adopted here, what kind of strategy we have adopted in our course so that you can learn it well. We have used this technique as you can see in the picture. First letter of Hindi alphabet is A. What's that? A. As you can see here, A is represented with A. So we will let you learn all the vowels and consonant as we have in English. Similarly, we have in Hindi too. This is one of the example I have used here so that you can understand how we have adopted this technique. Anar. Anar. Anar is what? Pomegranate. It's a very tasty fruit. Helps you in cleaning your blood, in blood circulation. Very tasty fruit, usually found in India. You must have seen, you must have eaten this fruit. Pomegranate. Pomegranate in Hindi we call it as anar. You can read it with the help of Roman language here. What do we call it as? Anar. Small sound of anar. Now the long sound of a. You can see this is a second letter, second vowel in our Hindi alphabet. It's called a. Long sound of a, that is double A. Double A, that means long sound of a. The word here is arm. What is that? Arm. Arm is what? Mango. Mango is a delicious fruit, king of fruits in India. Yellow color, usually found in summers. Very yummy, very tasty fruit. And people usually like to eat it in summers. Mango, it is the king of all the fruits. In Hindi we call it as aam. We call it as aam. Double sound of a, so we have used double A here. Aam, long sound of a. We have also discussed about colors name, birds name, vegetables, fruits, so that you can learn Hindi. Basic vocabulary, basic words that are used in daily based conversations. You can see here colors. We let you learn colors in Hindi too. Red. Red is called lal. Yellow, peela. Yellow color, color of sun. Blue, the color of sky. Blue, it's called neela. Green, the greenery, the vegetation. Hara. Pink, the favorite of girls. Pink color, it's called gulabi. Gulabi. Purple, bangani. The color of brinjal. Purple, it's called bangani. White, safed. Black, kala. The color of sophistication, darkness. Black. We let you learn Hindi in a very good and innovative manner with proper pictures also. This is just an introduction so that you can understand what all contents we have included in our course. Names of flowers also you will learn in our course. Basic vocabulary. Rose, the flower. The beautiful flower of love. Signification of love with rose. Rose is called gulab. Gulab. Chacha Nehru's favorite flower, gulab. Lotus, national flower of India, kamal. Usually found in stagnant water, dirty water, in ponds with the large circular leaves. It is very beautiful flower. It is usually found in pink and it is the national flower of India. Lotus, it's called kamal in Hindi. Marigold, another flower name. Genda, it's again a yellowish orange color flower. Very beautiful to look at. Genda. Marigold. Now few examples of birds name. Pigeon. You must have seen pigeon. It's called as kabutar. Kabutar. In Hindi we call it as kabutar. So it's a very beautiful again small bird usually found in India. Rooster, murga, colorful bird. Rooster. It is found in it is found in forest. It's cocks in the morning. Murga, rooster. Crow, black color bird, very harsh voice it has. Crow. Kaua, it is called kaua in Hindi. You'll be able to read the words in Hindi with the help of Roman language. This is all about our first part, where you will also learn about different grammar parts of speech. You will learn about noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, proverbs, idioms, homonyms, one word substitution. Many more things are there in our first part. And now about the second part here. In the second part, emphasis is laid on frequently used sentences in daily based conversations. We try to teach Hindi through simple and easy sentence structures. So second part is all about listening and speaking. First part was all about writing and reading, and second part is all about listening and speaking. In the second part, we have paid emphasis on frequently used sentences, those which are used in our daily based conversations. Every day we use that. So these sentences we learn here. In the second part, the sentences of our daily based conversations with shopkeepers, in office, with the servant, at the market, in the school, daily based conversations you will learn. And we have tried here, in order to make you learn Hindi, in order to teach you Hindi, we have used small, simple, easy sentence structures, so that you can learn these sentences of daily based conversations. दूसरे भाग में बोलचाल की आम भाषा पर ध्यान केंद्रित किया गया है. इसमें साधारण व सरल वाक्यों द्वारा हिंदी सिखाने का प्रयास किया गया है. So in the second part, बोलचाल, that is daily based conversations, we have paid stress on that, and we have used simple and easy sentence structures. Few examples for you so that you can understand what kind of phrases, what kind of sentences we have used here. In the second part, we often say these sentences, I am very sorry. That is, मुझे बड़ा दुख है. मुझे बड़ा दुख है. Try to read it in Roman language. This is Hindi of I am very sorry. This is usually used in our daily based conversations to say sorry to anybody, to apologize. मुझे बड़ा दुख है. I beg your pardon. That is, when we are not able to listen or you have some problem, you always say, I beg your pardon. That is, maaf kijiye. That is, I was not able to hear you. Or you can say, I was busy, so I couldn't able to listen you. So you at that time you say, I beg your pardon. That is, maaf kijiye. May I have your attention, please? This is usually said in parties, or class teachers usually say in the classes for the students. May I have your attention, please? Zara ध्यान दीजिए. That is, pay attention here. Quite please. These are few exclamations we use. Quite please, that is chup rahiye. That is do keep quiet. Or you can say here you are requesting, quite please. Really? Is that so? Sometimes you feel you're not able to believe few things, so you say, really, is that so? Sachmuch. Really, is that so? You say, sachmuch. Is that so? Is it? Such. That is it really so? Such. Thanks. You often say dhanyavad. In Hindi we say thanks as dhanyavad. You can read in Roman language. Thank you. That is aapka dhanyavad. When somebody has said something or helped you, we often say thanks. And that time, thank you. Aapka dhanyavad. यह दिन बार बार आए. That is many happy returns of the day. That is when we wish somebody birthday wishes we give, we say many happy returns of the day. That is यह दिन बार बार आए. Congratulations on somebody's success, somebody has got something, we say congratulations. That is बधाई. What a surprise. That is कितना आश्चर्य. That is you feel very surprised after looking at something, or you feel very shocked after looking at few things. कितना आश्चर्य. What an idea. That is कितनी बढ़िया सूझ है. That is what a notion you got, what an idea you got. कितनी बढ़िया सूझ है. Few greetings we do. As in Indians, we have a way of greeting elder people with arms folded, hands folded, and we bend a bit in order to pay respect to our elders. We say, good morning, Dad. That is Namaste, Pitaji. We Indians say Namaste. Namaste, Pitaji. Pitaji means Dad. Good morning, Mataji. That is Mom. Namaste, Mataji. That is good morning, Mom. Mom in Hindi we call it Mataji. So we have Namaste. As in Indians, the trend of saying Namaste, or we fold our hands and bend a bit. Good morning, Uncle. That is Namaste, Chachaji. Chachaji, father's younger brother, we say Chachaji, Uncle. Good morning, Uncle. Namaste, Chachaji. Few more greetings we use. Good night. At the time you are about to sleep, you wish good night to everybody. Shubh Ratri. Ratri is night. Shubh is good. So good night, that is Shubh Ratri. Good day to you, sir. अच्छा सर चलते हैं. That is a very good day to you, sir. You should have a very good day today. Nice day for you. We wish people, अच्छा सर चलते हैं. Pleased to meet you. आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई. That is, we feel really pleased to meet you. आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई. We are pleased to meet you. मिलना, that is meeting. खुशी, that is pleased. आपसे, that means you. So pleased to meet you. आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई. That is very nice to meet you and very pleased to meet you. So these are the few basic sentences we use in our daily based conversations, frequently used sentences. So you learn these kind of many sentences at different situations we use in our offices, shops, markets, with the servant, with parents, and law, sports, medicine, weather, different situations we have. We have a lot many sentences to discuss in our second part. So I hope this session let you know about this course and help you get the introduction to this course. I hope you will get enroll yourself as soon as possible. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.